We have SSP Mohali with us. So, sir, what is the role of this accused who has been killed here?
This person who has been killed here, basically in encounter, was handling the operations on ground when Rana Balachoria, kabaddi player and promoter, was killed. So he was coordinating between the different wings who were doing the recce team, the main shooters. So this person was actually the main coordinator who managed this operation.
How many people are involved in this murder? Because you are telling us multiple people are involved in this murder.
Being involved are multiple people. Some are handler who are settled abroad. Few are present here. This person, Ashdeep Singh, he came from Moscow on 25th of November to execute this operation and was heading back on 16th when he was arrested from Delhi airport. So on his statement and disclosure, this place was chosen. He was extracting him from here and maybe taking to some safe house. But the police party already had the knowledge of this, and we had laid out a trap. And in this trap, he was injured actually and was taken to hospital where he has come to his injuries.
One main accused has also been arrested at the airport. What was his role?
Ashdeep Singh was basically sent to India by Donibal and his associates to execute this operation and kill Rana Balachoria. So on the very next day, he was actually fleeing abroad.
And the main accused, main shooter, you have already identified. The picture are very clear. How far we are from there?
No, we are very closely. Our teams are working very closely to catch those accused, and hopefully, will very soon we'll nab them.
Thank you so much for talking. So, well, we can see this is SSP Mohali who has already explained that this was the spot. I'll request my Vijay to show all these pictures. Harpinder was here when the police got this information, and immediately they reached here. They opened fire, and we have seen Harpinder has also opened fire. And during exchange of fire, Harpinder was killed, and two police officials, they have also been injured. So we can see the bullet marks are here. The team is here, present here. So we have seen SSP Mohali has already explained that how this operation was being carried out. He says multiple people are involved in this murder of a kabaddi player, and they are trying to probe multiple leads. We are showing all these pictures from this spot. We can see the police official, they are still standing there. The bullets marks are also there. So they are probing all the angles. The shooters have already been identified by the police, and they are trying to get the leads. They are saying that multiple leads they have already got, and shortly, very soon, they will be able to arrest all the accused. But we are showing all these pictures from the spot at this point of time where this encounter has been taken place. So this is the Ambala highway near Lalru, where we can see this abandoned building where this Harpinder, who was killed by the Punjab police, and he had a role in this kabaddi murder case, and we can see all these pictures. So as of now, the police say they are investigating multiple angle, they are probing multiple angle, and we have come to this encounter site to show all the pictures, all the visuals that how this encounter was carried out by the Punjab police. Harpinder has already been killed. They say multiple people are being identified. They are trying to find out their roles also, and the shooter have already been identified, and they are trying to get more leads so that they will be arrested as early as possible. With Vijay, Rajesh Kumar, this is Gurpreet Singh China for NDTV.